Ricoh Print Evolution Live brought together the future of print with the power of real innovation. Across the event, attendees explored how technology, creativity, and data-driven thinking are already transforming the way print is produced, from smarter workflows to faster, more sustainable output. It was also a chance to connect, share insights, and learn from peers across the industry. And through real-life campaign journeys from data generation to final, stunning execution, the event showed exactly what becomes possible when print truly evolves.
Yeah, Print Evolution Live has been a really interesting day. Met lots of really interesting people, great topics, great discussion, and a great networking event.
The value it brings to customers, for me, it's the creativity. It's bringing the ideas to life. When we introduce them to the technology here, and when we put it in the context of the things that they might have dreamed about delivering for their customers, it makes them realise they can actually do it. So with their ideas and Ricoh's technology, as we frame it with software and solutions and other vendors and other partners, it really brings these new concepts to life, and it makes them believe that they can go and do new things for their customers. They take it away and they look for innovation and they bring it back to us and they collaborate to create awesome new stuff.
Come to the event and I think, am I going to take away what I took away last year? And every time this event surpasses me with thoughts and ideas to take back, not only to share with the team but to run through and off. Ricoh are very good at displaying the new technology with the new devices that are out on the floor, but they are very good at taking that print and working with the other providers in the finishing side, and they bring a product to life. So this is the area that these guys really do focus on and add value into our business. I take these things back into Blatcham and into the team, and for the next sort of 4 or 5 weeks, we'll be working our way through some of the things that I've seen over the course of this event.
It's understanding when it's the right time to move for positive, when those innovations come to market, and there are quite a few, which is very exciting. Re-engaging with account managers, directors, and also the people on the shop floor, which has really begun the innovation into different areas of products that we could see that we could bring to our online and also our B2B clients. I think it's the collaboration between Ricoh and their other partners, ensuring that we can produce the products that are required without hassle.
Print Evolution Live is designed to bring a group of companies together in an intimate and informal yet informative environment where we can have conversations and we can provide information and deliver content which is relevant to our aspirations in terms of working in partnership with our customers moving forward. You know, we can look at jointly innovating, creating the solutions, integrating them with the software, looking at the business proposals, looking at the business outcomes, and ultimately creating some win-wins.